Hey guys, welcome to Mitch's Music. Today we are going to learn Gone Country by Alan Jackson. This is a really fun riff to play. It's in G. It will help you a little bit with your picking with your finger if you're trying to get into doing that style of playing. And it circles around G. So if you're just learning chords, this is a great beginning riff to learn. And it just practices a bunch of techniques that you'll use a lot in country. Guys, if you enjoy my videos, click that subscribe button and check out my description below for the tabs, and along with being able to sign up for a guitar community where you'll be able to learn from me. You'll be able to sign up for group lessons. You'll be able to sign up for private lessons. You will meet other learners just like you that are trying to learn the guitar, better themselves, and it's just going to be a community where we play together, learn together, and grow together. And I hope to see you guys over there. Let's get started on this song. So, like I said, we start out in G. And the G that I'm playing, it's really important to play this version of a G chord. And it is first finger on the second fret of the A string, second finger on the third fret of the low E string, third finger on the third fret of the B string, and then your pinky on the third fret of the high E string. So sounds like this. And the very first part of this song, we're just gonna play this low E string, and then we're going to play the G string with our pick and pluck the B string with our finger. So it's like this. All right, let's try that together. 1, 2, ready, low string. And then we're going to do a hammer on from the second fret of the A string to the third fret of the A string. So. All right. And then we're going to go to a D chord after that. All right, so let's try that. 1, 2, ready, and... Alright, and if you notice, I pluck that B string when I play it instead of playing it with my pick. So, and then we're going to go back to the third fret of the A string, and then pluck the B string again. And then we're going to do a hammer on from the D string to the second fret, and then play the G string, and that sounds like this. And G string. And I'm plucking that one as well. So the whole riff goes like this. And that's it, guys. Short and sweet. This was a quick one today, but I hope that you enjoyed learning this riff. If you have any questions or requests for me, leave those in the comments below, and stay tuned for the slow version of this tab along with the full speed version. I'll see you next time, guys.